Let's take a look at a one-bedroom villa at Marriott's Aruba Surf Club, right after this. Hello, this is Jeremy with Destination Timeshare. First thing upon entering the unit is a large kitchen with everything you would need to make fantastic meals to help save some time and expense while you're on vacation. The kitchen has everything you would need, from full-size appliances to dinnerware and silverware for 6 people. There is also just about any type of cooking utensil that you might need to make that perfect dish. Right off the kitchen is the utility room with ironing board, along with a stackable laundry. This allows you to pack light and save on baggage fees on your way to Aruba. Now let's head into the living room. Wide open to the kitchen, this makes for a large open area so you can relax in the living room while still interacting with those that may be in the kitchen. There is also a dining room table for 6 people and large flat screen television with Blu-ray player. The sofa pulls out into a queen-size bed, and the linens are available in the bedroom closet. We were actually staying in the full 2-bedroom lock-off, for which this one bedroom is a part of. If you'd like to check out the full 2-bedroom tour, please click on the information card that will pop up in the upper right corner. Into the master bedroom. You're certainly sure to relax in the king-size bed while enjoying your favorite show on the large flat-screen television. And just off the bedroom area is the bathroom with a large soaking tub and vanity areas. The toilet and shower are located in the extra room, so this is certainly to provide extra privacy. So there it is, the one-bedroom unit at Marriott's Aruba Surf Club. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this one, along with timeshare tips, resort reviews, and industry news, please be sure to click subscribe down below. And also, hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever I post future videos. And until next time, let's remember, the best destination is always a timeshare.